This day on Friday Workshop, Garrett just released a demon in the bathroom. We're packing and getting ready to go. Dom woke up late after puking and sleeping all last night. And Beth, well, she ate too many hot dogs at the baseball game and it did not end up well.
We're heading to the marina to look at that boat for a second time.
Yeah, the Spartacus.
Spartacus. We like it. Do we like it?
Still
like
deciding.
It. Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think about this boat?
I like it. It's a fun one.
So this is the 38-foot Beneteau. And, oh my goodness, the cockpit area, the double wheels in the back, the room inside. And then the way that it sits on the water is so much nicer than a catamaran. What do you think, kid?
It's pretty cool. I like it.
What are your favorite parts of this boat?
I would say my favorite part is just the comfortability of it. I like this like tight fitting style.
I do too.
Welcome to Texas, boys. Those clouds are dark behind us.
Yeah, they are. Oh man.
Yeah.
Good news is you can insulate it from the boat by fiber. You know what I mean? Kind of aim for your
Oh, wow. Now, those are the fastest they can go, right?
Yeah, unfortunately. We're just going 30 miles an hour.
That's
Wait till we hit the freeway.
Do wolves meow here?
About to step into something completely different. This is Meow Wolf Houston, and it's not your typical art museum. It's more like stepping through a portal into another dimension. The whole experience is themed around ETNL radio station, where the crew accidentally opened the doorway to another world. And now, we get to explore what's on the other side.
Here it is.
That's pretty.
That's surprising to find.
Right from the start, you can tell this place is massive. Over 30,000 square feet of interconnected rooms, secret passages, and hidden doors. The story here is that we are following radio station workers that navigate this surreal alternate dimension they've stumbled into. What makes this Houston location special is the local talent. More than half the 100+ artists who helped create this are from Texas. You've got Houston artist Jasmine Zendella's Flower Face Room, with incredible large-scale proportions. El Franco's Lee's II's hallway honoring Houston culture with tributes to DJ Screw and the Astrodome. This is Cowboy Heaven, a psychedelic dive bar caught between dimensions. They've taken traditional cowboy culture and flipped it on its head through a queer lens. There's even an interactive jukebox with 30 songs from Texas artists.
They're a straight shooter. Straight shooter.
What I love about Meow Wolf is that everyone's experience is different. The paths you choose, the secrets you find, and the connections you make. It's all unique to your journey. Some people spend 2 hours there, some spend 4. Everyone sees something different.
This is Counting Bunny Ranch.
I think this is the exit. It's chilly. It's frosty.
Oh, that's the fridge.
We switched backwards.
And sadly, it's time to leave Houston.
On our way back home.
Playing cards, rummy in the airport.
Yeah.
Okay, who's cheating?
I think it's this guy.
It's not me. It's not me. Garrett says he's not cheating, but he happens to win a lot of games.
Here we go, heading home, boys.
Yeah. Well, the first leg.
First leg, Salt Lake. Salt Lake City for Boise, Idaho.
Exhausting.